Number 6 now, these are expressions to describe things. So the way you ask what something looks like in Irish is ken chama ata'er, which is sort of like what is the appearance that's on it. Okay, what is the appearance that is on it? And you can then describe it. You can say, for example, it's big, tasha more. So someone says ta madra agam, which none of you have. You can say ken chama ata'er, what's it like? And you'd say tasha more, it's big. Okay, or you can say tasha byug, it's small. Okay, or you can say it's old, tasha shan. Now I don't have the one for dog. You would say tasha og is young. Og is young.
How did you pronounce old?
Shan.
Shan.
Yeah, young is og. Okay, so talking about animals, you use og. If you want to talk about like a car, you can say it's new, tasha nua. Nua, and it's often pronounced nu. A lot of times I leave the A off. Or you can say tasha dear, it's expensive. Okay. Tasha dear. Or it was inexpensive, tasha steer. Okay. A lot of times the words in Irish, there'll be one that starts with a D and one that starts with an S, and the S one is good and the D one's not. Okay.
Is seer, which is inexpensive, related to seer, which is free?
I think probably. Yeah, the words seer, spelled the same way, means free, like you are free, you're not enslaved or something. It also means inexpensive. The word for free, like someone, you get something for free, is seer and ashka. Yeah, so you can say, oh, ta car nuagat. Oh, you have a new car. And you can say, ta, fur me seer and ashke. Yes, I got it for free. Not too likely. Seer and ashke is free. Okay. To say something's nice, you say tashi gajas. Or it's terrible. Tashi go hanish.
What's H?
Huh? The go sticks the H on there. And some words use, go is normally used just for adverbs, so it's like the ly in English. So the difference between quick and quickly. So quick would be tapa and quickly would be the tapa. But a few words use go anyways. So then they use go when you're just describing things. So gajas, you use a go with it. Gohanish is terrible. Beautiful gahalan. Nasty is grana. Okay. And good is goma. And bad is godona. Okay. Yeah.
Grania is a common name.
No, yeah, there's a difference between grana and grania. Yeah, grania is basically the Irish, more or less equivalent of the word grace. Okay. Grana is nasty. Okay. Spelled differently. Okay. So, if you want to describe something, you can say tashe or vishe, and then use one of these words to describe it. Okay. So we can describe the scones. You can say vishe gohalan, meaning they're beautiful or tasty. Okay. Use the expression gohalan for food that's tasty. Or vishe gajas, they were nice. Okay. Gama is good, but it's not a very strong term. Okay. Yeah. Vishe gama, they were good. Or vishe gahalan, they were wonderful, tasty. Okay. Okay. So, any questions on those ones? We'll go on to the.
What's the vishe you were referring to?
Vishe would be okay. So. Okay, so V monkey Margit, I guess, and I could say Kim chama avir, what was it like? And you could say vishe more, it was big. Okay, or vishe grana, it wasn't ugly.
That's the
yeah, V. Yeah.
VHR.
So anywhere where usually
so
when you have
fast.
yeah, anywhere where you have ta means is, the equivalent for was is V.
Oh,
so
okay.
any expression that uses ta, you usually can put V in there to make it in the past.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, the name of the lesson was Kendahtayr, which is what color is it? That's where we're at now, number 7. So the way you ask what color something is, you say ken dath ta'er, which literally is what is the color that is on it. Ken is what is the, dath is color, ta that is, is on it. Okay, so ken dath ta'er, what color is it? And usually you would say then, like it is read, ta dath jarager, there is a red color on it. Literally is color red on it. Okay? Dath jarag would be a red color. Okay? And so you have to kind of get your mind around the way that Irish works, okay? And you don't say what color is, you say what is the color that is on it. And if you know that the question is what is the color that is on it, then the answer is going to be, well, there's some color on it. There's a red color on it. There's a blue color on it. Okay?
So the colors mean, does one color mean feminine, one color mean masculine?
The colors on it, because they're going to be adjectives here.
Yeah.
Okay? But we'll get to the feminine part of it too. Okay? Now, the thing that can have a color, like a table or a pen or a glass, can be masculine or feminine in Irish. So if you want to ask what color is it for a feminine noun, you would say ken dathata urhi. What color is on her, really. And ken dathata er is what color is on him. Okay? And you can say it's red. The red color is the same. Ta dath jarag urhi on her. Okay? Alright? Now, I put a few other colors here. So the color white is bon. Pink is white-red. Bon jarag. Okay. Yellow is bui. Purple is korkara. Which, interestingly enough, comes from, it's the same word as purple. Because Irish, in old words in Latin, Irish that had P's in them, Irish either dropped the P's off or turned them into K's. So purpura, I think, was the word in Latin, and it became purple, so the R changed to an L in English. In Irish, purpura, the two P's turned into K sounds, so you have korkura. And so another word that you have is the word pater in Latin, is father. And I don't know if this might have been, I don't think necessarily the Irish word came from the Latin word as much as it was before Latin and Irish that they all had the same common word. But anyways, what happened is Irish at some point lost that P and became aher. And English turned it into an F and became father. Okay? And another word is the word fish. I think it's like pesca or something like that in Latin, and then it became fish, so you can sort of see how that got into English, and the P just dropped off in Irish and became isk. But a lot of those words would have been, not that Irish got them from Latin, but Irish and Latin are related further back. So there's words that were common to both of them before Irish and Latin. Okay. So korkara is purple. The word red, we had jarag. Brown is down. Okay, black is a couple of pronunciations you'll hear on this. You'll hear dove or do. Yeah.
Do without the verb?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of times you hear that one as do. Green is gloss.
Glass.
And if you know the word for vegetables, glossary comes from gloss, meaning green. Blue is gorum. Gray is leah. And orange is orashta. Same as the fruit. Okay? And so you can say ta da orashta is orange colored, or ta da bon there's a white color on it. Okay? Ta da du bon
There's another word for orange?
There's some variant colors that are similar to it. Yeah. But
Like an adopted word?
yeah. So is the English word. So probably not an old. It's not an old Anglo-Saxon word. So okay. So anyway, those are colors, and we'll do more with colors in a little bit. Okay. So the next thing in number 8, a few ways to ask what type of something. So what sort of car do you have? So if I ask you, well, car and you say ta, so I have a car. Then I might ask, what sort of car? Ken sort car ata agat.
Ken sort car ata agat.
Okay, and car is